and girls. It's Miss Lisa from the Children's Room at the Uniondale Public Library. Today we're doing our second take and make. It's a Valentine tree. So when you pick up your take and make, it's going to be an envelope like this, and it's going to have your name and the instructions and what you will need. Okay? So first of all, in your packet, you're gonna get a piece of cardstock like this, and this is where you're gonna make your tree. So I'm gonna put my cardstock here, and in the packet you're also gonna get a long piece of brown construction paper like this, and you're gonna glue it on. You're gonna glue it on the cardstock like this. So I'm gonna do that right now. You're gonna need Elmer's glue or a glue stick. So let me do this right now. Okay, so yours should look like this, okay? Because this is the trunk of our tree. Now what you're gonna do, and this is also in your packet, are 4 shorter pieces of construction paper, brown construction paper, and these are gonna be our branches. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna glue a branch on like that. So I'm gonna glue my 4 branches on, and I'm gonna do that right now. And here's my last branch that I'm gonna put on. And don't forget, well, if you use a glue stick, it'll stick pretty quickly, but if you use glue, like Elmer's glue, you have to let it dry for a few minutes. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. That's a tree with branches. And then also in your packet, you're going to have pink and red hearts. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna glue hearts onto your tree. Now I'm gonna glue 1 heart. You can glue them anywhere you want on the tree or anywhere in the picture, but I'm gonna glue a heart on the top of my tree. That's just what I'm gonna do, but you can do whatever you want because it's your special Valentine to somebody. And I think I'm gonna put a Valentine on the bottom of the tree. Let's see. And I think I'll put another red one on the bottom of the tree. And then I think I'll put see what I did? So I have a heart at the top and I have some hearts at the bottom. And don't forget, I also tell you what you'll need is also crayons. Now you can use crayons if you want or not. You can draw hearts on the branches, or you can draw on your scene, whatever you want to do. So I'm just gonna put some more red hearts on my branches. So this is what your scene is gonna look like. This is your Valentine tree. Now in your packet, I also gave you some stickers, some Valentine stickers. So what if you want, you don't have to, but what you want is you can put some, let's see, I can put a heart strawberry on my pink heart. I can use some of these stickers to put on my hearts if you want. Or you can even put them, you can put them around the corners. I think I'm gonna put them around the corners. Okay. So that's what I did. So I just put 4 stickers that say love, and I put them around my tree. So this is just my tree, but there are a lot of different things you can do. You can draw with your crayons, you can use your stickers, or you can even cut out your own hearts at home. So I hope you enjoyed this Take and Make Valentine tree craft, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.